Part 1. The Hidden Clutter Crisis. Do you ever feel like your stuff is slowly taking over your space? You tidy up, but by the end of the day, the clutter seems to magically reappear. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. You are experiencing what I call the hidden clutter crisis. In a small space, there's no room for clutter to hide. It's always right there, in your line of sight: the pile of mail on the counter, the overflowing bookshelf, the shoes and clothes spilling out from under the bed. It can be genuinely overwhelming, making your home feel chaotic instead of calm. But what if I told you the solution isn't about having more space? It's about using the space you already have more intelligently. Today, we're going to unlock the secret to transforming that clutter chaos into a serene haven. We're going to find storage where you currently see none. Part 2. Unveiling Everyday Invisibility. The key is what I call everyday invisibility. It's about finding or creating storage that blends so seamlessly into your existing furniture and architecture, you almost forget it's there until you need it. Let's start with the biggest piece of unused real estate in any bedroom: the space under your bed. Most of us just shove things under there randomly, creating a dusty, chaotic mess. The solution? Integrated, rolling drawers. They turn this dead space into a highly functional storage system for clothing, linens, or even luggage, all while keeping everything clean and accessible. It's a total game changer. Now, let's move to the living area. In a small space, every single piece of furniture should work twice as hard. I'm talking about an upholstered ottoman that lifts open to reveal a spacious compartment for blankets and games. I'm talking about a coffee table with a lift top or hidden drawers. These aren't just furniture pieces, they are secret-keeping heroes that maintain a clean, minimalist aesthetic. And we can't forget vertical and unexpected spaces. Think about the back of a door with a sleek over-the-door organizer, not for shoes, but for cleaning supplies or pantry items. Imagine a custom-built, shallow pull-out cabinet in that narrow, dead gap next to your refrigerator. It's about looking at your space with a new, more creative eye. So, by simply implementing these ideas, harnessing underbed space, choosing double-duty furniture, and exploiting vertical real estate, the transformation is incredible. The clutter is gone, not because we got rid of our things, but because we gave them a designated, hidden home. Part 3. Your optimized oasis awaits. Now, before you run out and buy all the storage bins, there is one absolutely critical first step. You must declutter. More storage for stuff you don't need is not the answer. You have to embrace a less is more philosophy. Be ruthless. Ask yourself, do I love this? Do I use this? If you haven't used it in a year, it's probably safe to let it go. The goal is to have less to store, which makes organizing infinitely easier. And once you've created this beautiful, organized oasis, maintaining it is simple. The one in, one out rule is your best friend. Bring a new item in, let an old one go. And always take 5 minutes at the end of the day to return your invisible items to their hidden homes. It's a small habit that makes all the difference. Your home should be your sanctuary, not a source of stress. You have the power to conquer the clutter crisis and create the calm, optimized oasis you deserve. I want to see your transformations. Share your before and after photos or your best small space hack in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more design and organization tips that will help you fall in love with your home all over again. Thanks for watching. Master this rule, and then we'll put it all together in the next video, where I show you how to build the perfect mood board.